Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an emblem on a Ford F150. First, gather your tools, including a heat gun, plastic pry tools, and a good adhesive remover. Next, clean the area around the old emblem thoroughly to ensure the new one adheres properly. Finally, protect the surrounding paint with painter's tape to avoid any accidental scratches or damage during the removal process. Now, let's get that old emblem off. Use your heat gun to gently warm the emblem, softening the adhesive underneath. Be sure to move the heat gun constantly to avoid damaging the paint. Once the adhesive is warm, carefully use your plastic pry tools to lift the emblem away from the truck. Take your time to prevent scratching the paint. After removal, clean any leftover adhesive with a suitable remover. With the old emblem gone and the surface clean, it's time to prepare for the new one. Make sure the area is completely dry and free of any residue. This is crucial for strong adhesion. Before peeling off the backing, test fit your new emblem to confirm its correct placement and alignment. Once you're happy with the position, use painter's tape to mark the exact spot. This will guide you for a perfect installation. Finally, let's install your new emblem. Carefully peel off the protective backing from the adhesive side. Align the emblem precisely with the guides you marked earlier. Once it's in the perfect spot, press down firmly and evenly across the entire emblem. Hold it in place for at least 30 seconds to ensure the adhesive bonds securely to the truck's surface. Enjoy your refreshed Ford F150.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.